This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to get daily update on gold price action analysis. I'll be doing the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be sharing you the current support and resistance and current trend of the price action. Please use it as a reference for deciding on your trade entry and exit. Let us look at the economical events planned for today. Today we don't have any high impacting news planned for any of the major currency pairs, and we have lots of low impacting news. And at 10:30 PM we have medium impacting news planned for British pound related currency pairs. So we can expect a low volatility in gold also today. Let us begin our analysis. I'm in daily time frame, and we already know from the daily time frame that the price action was continuously in a very nice bullish trend, taking support on this trend line or the support line, and here at this point it has given a breakout from this long term support line or the trend line, and currently the price action is in a very strong bearish trend. When we try to analyze how low the bearish trend is going to continue, I'm going to draw a channel pattern to understand the current price action. So I've drawn a bearish channel pattern. Based on this channel pattern, we can clearly notice that the current price action is in a very strong bearish trend. It has also broken the midline, which had acted as a very strong support in the past, and it is trading below this midline of the bearish channel pattern. So it is in a very strong bearish trend based on this bearish channel pattern also. And we have also noticed that whenever the price action comes on a bearish trend, it comes up to the support line and takes supports, then only we have noticed it to trend back on the bullish trend reversal. So currently we are noticing the bearish trend to continue. So next level of support is going to be the bearish channel pattern support line. So we still have more space for the bearish trend to come and take support. And when we look at the past price action, from here the bearish trend started. You can notice that price action bounced back from this resistance level, and next time when it came back on a bearish trend reversal, it has taken support on this previous resistance line, then bounced back on the bullish trend reversal. And I'm going to adjust this trend line again. Here also we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish trend reversal, and over here we can notice that price action came back on the bearish side, then took support on this support line or the trend line, then bounced back on the bullish trend reversal. So always it was bouncing back every time it tested this resistance line or the support line on the opposite direction. So currently when we look at the price action, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish trend reversal after testing this resistance line, and here we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal after testing this support line, and currently we are noticing the price action to trend down on the bearish side. So we can expect it to test this bearish channel pattern support line, and also we have the long term trend line or the support line. So there are more chances for the price action to take support over here than to bounce back on the retracement or the bullish trend reversal. But still, only when the price action breaks this bearish channel pattern resistance line, it will be a bullish trend reversal. And here also we have the long term resistance line over here. It has to break this resistance line in order to have a bullish trend reversal. Let us look at this part of the price action more closely. So for the past few days we have noticed a price action to be consolidating within this support level of 1730 and resistance level of 1752. So currently the price action is in a sideways momentum. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break this support level of 1730 in order to confidently go on a bearish side trades. But today we are noticing the red color candlesticks being formed. So if the red color candlesticks continues to be a red color candlesticks or a bearish candlesticks, we can expect it to break this support level of 1730, which gives the confirmation on the continuation of the bearish trend in daily time frame. And if this support level is broken, next level of support is going to be 1695, and if the 1695 level is broken, next level of support is going to be 1648. So from the daily time frame we understand that the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend, and if the support level of 1730 is broken, next level of support is going to be 1695, which is also the intersection point of the bearish channel pattern and previous support level, and also the horizontal support level of 1695. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. So when we look at the price action from the hourly time frame, we have a very strong support level which is around 1730 from the daily time frame, and also we have a resistance level of 1752 from the daily time frame. And currently I am drawing a trend line or the resistance line. We can notice that previously the price action was in a bearish trend and it has taken support on the higher time frame support level, and currently we are noticing the price action to be moving on a sideways. In the past also we have noticed the price action to move on a sideways, then to break the support level and to continue its bearish trend. So currently also we are noticing the price action to trade on a sideways, and if the support level of 1730 is broken, we can expect a further continuation of the bearish trend. So wait for the price action to break this support level in order to take directional trade in hourly time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break a higher time frame support levels in order to take a directional trade. Otherwise we can expect the price action to consolidate within this resistance level of 1752 and support level of 1730. If the price action breaks on the bullish side, these are all the resistance levels. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. We already know from the past price action, previously the price action was in a very nice bullish trend, and currently we are noticing the price action to trend on a bearish trend. And also we know that the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend from the higher time frame. So wait for the price action to break this support level in order to take trades with a higher time frame trend. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, wait for the price action to trend on the bullish side and to bounce back from this higher time frame resistance line. I would not recommend you to take trades against the higher time frame trends. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame. Again for the 5 minutes time frame I am drawing a resistance line or a trend line. So previously the price action was respecting this resistance line, and we have noticed the price action come near to the higher time frame support level of 1731, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal, breaking this resistance line. But again when we look at the range between which it is trading between the higher time frame support level and the lower time frame resistance line. Wait for it to give a directional breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side to take a long-term directional trades. Currently it is under a consolidation within this resistance and support levels. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to trend on a bearish side. Wait for it to bounce back from this higher time frame support level of 1730 in order to take trades on the bullish side, or wait for it to break this support level in order to take trades on the bearish side. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.